start with a cinematic, emotional generated scene. No UI. This entire cinematic drama scene was created from just one image. This is Vidu Q3, an AI video model built for storytelling, or like they say, born for drama. Be sure to include the specific prompt in the video, along with descriptions of the visual effects, sound effects, and scenes. All you have to do is upload your image, add your prompt, and generate. After entering the prompt, I will choose the other settings, like the model. I'll select Vidu Q3 since it's trending right now, and then choose the duration. I can set it to 16 seconds and also select the mode and aspect ratio. Finally, I will click on the Generate button. It will take some time, so wait patiently, and after a while, you will see the result. I included soft ambient sound, so you actually hear subtle background audio instead of silence. And things like slow camera push-in and smooth transitions make it feel like a real cinematic shot, not just a static animation. Upload image, select reference to video click, generate. And yes, this is currently the first and longest 16-second AI video model with full audio. Full screen generated video, no UI, immersive, mix different styles. The prompt section includes all scenes, visual effects, and sound effects, and corresponds to the video to convey the emotional tone. Short drama, cinematic shots, ad style visuals, and this is the result. If I compare the new Vidu Q3 with Vidu Q2, it's very simple. In the Vidu Q3 section, you can create cinematic videos up to 16 seconds long, and you can also add multi-shot scenes and sync audio with the video. On the other hand, in Vidu Q2, you can only create videos up to 8 seconds, and you cannot add voice. Only sound effects are supported. So, if I compare Vidu Q3 with Q2, I think Vidu Q3 is more advanced and reliable, so you should definitely try it out. What makes this powerful is how complete it feels. You get more diverse scenes, from short dramas to cinematic shots and even ads, richer visual effects, lighting, motion, and transitions that actually feel natural, and more realistic audio, ambient sound, and atmosphere built right in. Return to strongest clip. Vidu Q3 isn't just generating videos, it's helping you tell a story. Start from one image and turn it into something that feels like a real film. If you want to try it, check the link in the description. You'll get extra credits when you sign up. And make sure to download from my bio to get 100 points for free. And if you want the exact prompt I used, just comment Vidu and I'll send it to you.